fantastic. Yeah. Give me some more. Come. Come show them I. Sure. Yeah. When the
So we are trying to get up myself. Nice one, uncle. What? Fit. Woo. You can't, let me do it first, then uncle. If anything.
Come to the Francis YouTube channel.
a little mini shop. Snacks to me, I think. Where you want? Yeah, pick up one of that. I may have this one, you know. Me like it. Snacks then. Wait. Oh, look at that little crackers. What you want to face? Huh? You want it? Go. Let's go on the other side. Come look over here, Abby. Got Cheetos, everything. Josiah. Josiah. Yeah, hold this. Get it. No, go and check them. Go on. Yeah.
That's so soda.
There's a cake. Downtown. I'm gonna go around this. Hello.
What is that?
No, coconut. Some like a coconut thing. Good on this.
Yo, I want them out here for them. Yeah, man. I want to work right now. Oh, no, you me drive in the fancy one, that's right. Yeah, man. Tap. Vai, passa. Yes.
Jamaican $5,000. It's a $5,000.
So this could get
Okay.
I think so.
I'm doing it now.
Come, I don't. Come. It's long. Let's go. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you. Mia. Say hello. Where are you going? Where are you going? You don't know where you're going? You're going to Reggae Falls. Where you going? Yeah. Ready? Come for this, Abby.
You come from the sun and come here after water.
At 60 an hour, right?
Yeah.
And the ginger beer
Yeah.
with ice.
Thank you. What water? You never tell me about no water. You have to go now to get water for the road. Fit my thing. Yeah, leave it. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. Hold it a minute. Thank you. Got the snacks. Guys, we're going to Reggae Falls today. So we get some snacks, we get patties to eat right now. And we're gonna get some KFC, bucket of KFC and stuff. Yeah. Huh? Have a lot. The what? Never bother. You pink out today. Hello.
Liveliest day.
Yes, sir. It's
Today
nice.
is my liveliest day.
Your liveliest day.
Reggae
Reggae Falls. Open this a minute. Thank you. Oh God. People, the party hot. Hot. Woo. Hot. This is Stacy's.
Your mama make
Oh, say you're Aaron.
What?
We're not ready, let me know. Well, alright, step that way, still have to go out.
Where we going now?
People may get fat. Aja, woo. Me can't stop eat. When we go back to the UK then, I'm trying to take off this weight. Look at my face, so fat. Look, even look my body.
jump around.
Feel like they don't have something. And brother, I don't know, yo. And I can't show the Jamaican tell you, me surprised. That's how we know some track, you know. It's surprised. Yeah, works and woman suicide rate up on them. Bro.
You live out here?
Yeah. It's surprised when suicide rate. Imagine you get up in the morning now while you're picking and you don't have nothing to give now. A whole lot of people have used that every day.
Really?
Yeah.
Right now, the whole countryside and mash up
You
with the
think I
food not growing.
look at people who feel about that? By going into dates, you try to get a party for them?
Brother,
You see people right there? You can know the people eat out of it?
crazy man too.
Sure.
People where you still walking in a good clothes today
Good
and
clothes.
tomorrow. I in the
But what make they have a country so expensive though?
Because we not pay, we avoid tax everywhere else. So they just hike the food tax. Because we not pay the regular tax.
Look on the gas. So even if you buy a whole vehicle.
Anyway, they can put the tax we pay, man. And we not get no return. So I them alone I win.
I spent 89,000 the first time I come. And that don't include meat. We not buy no meat.
And best believe in it, if you all I meet them, you like to eat from Jamaica here. Is that next 89,000 that?
Yeah.
Because they're not cheap.
This is it.
The cheapest thing is chicken, and chicken nearly reach $400 a pound.
Yeah.
So one whole of chicken maybe cost all 3,000. It's mad. So me tell them say, if you really calculate, we work for an hour out here, you still need an extra hour to buy only a bread. So you have to work 2 hours to buy a bread. You buy the chiffon butter, say a bread and butter you want. Chiffon butter is the next 2 hours you have to work to be able to buy the chiffon butter. And then if you buy even the syrup, you have to work an extra 5 hours you have to work to eat bread and butter. And me talk about that Emmanuel in a good job. Emmanuel in a good job, we are swing concrete bucket and I get 3,500 a day. By the time him done him body mash up, him need to buy one some put in him body one time to eat out. And if him go buy food and like all a something, he put in him body if he get back to strength. The 3,500 done. Plus him pin in the yard.
Why?
I mean, when people know their yard. All the government do to trick them. Just turn on some music. Then just dance out and say, buy some liquor, play some music, and them jump, yay! Have them pot cover a beat. So I say to all one of them, say, so if you have your pot cover out here, that means there's nothing good never in your pot. That's what we got to think about. Food, you have to go in your pot.
Yeah.
You run back a politician. I ain't gonna know nothing. Just food.
Expensive out
Me
here,
say,
man.
eat them a free up visa, nobody not let them.
Huh?
Eat them free up visa. Not one Jamaican no other. Me say, I
And the
will
thing
work.
is Jamaica nice, you know.
Jamaica nice, but I'm a tourist. Because you can't work here and enjoy it here. Because most people live in Jamaica till they are 70.
Yeah.
And then barely go out of them parish, no time at all. Tourists know Jamaica more than we.
Yeah.
Some place up on the internet never go. You know say Jamaica that. See, this is a pretty place out there, Jamaica.
Jamaica. And we are going Reggae Falls.
Certain beaches, them like
You
it
ever
have
go
public.
to Reggae Falls?
No.
Pick up the line.
Nice. Me see video. Nice. Nice.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Alright.
The Francis family.
Francis family.
Yeah. All the sun out here now. Real man.
The last one, man, normal weather. Every green grass got dry. Every green grass that you can see, they dry. If you drop a cigarette, but the whole place burned up, you are dry.
What?
You say, you know.
The camera off it. Yeah. Give me some more. Come. Come show them eye. Sure. Yeah. When the
Are you a park? What's the place?
Reggae Falls.
God. Jamaica beautiful, your friend. I tell no lie. Love my country. Why? Just for a little pit stop. Look at this. Surf's up.
You feel your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Girl, your boom boom down your feet. We give you everything, but I in my wallet, I in my pocket.
Hello? Yo. How are you? Jenna, you know I think about it. One time like
baby that, mommy to be your baby that. Tell your body, try my bad, love your bad, swear to God. Baby, you want to go for life, queen my wife, Barbie doll. Baby, lock up your bumper, lock up your bumper. Lock up your bumper, baby, lock up your bumper. You feel your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Tell your boom boom, go down your feet. We give you everything, whether in my wallet, I in my pocket. I mean to be your baby that. I mean to be your baby that. Get a big body, try my bad, love your bad, swear to God. Baby, you want love for life, queen my wife, Barbie doll. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Tell your boom boom, go down your feet. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Tell your boom boom, go down your feet.
Hello?
Tell like you move on. You feel your feet, I make you fly you regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Tell your boom boom, go down your feet. Do everything but in my wallet, I in my pocket.
Everything you consideration. From here you feel a nation.
Tell like you move on. You feel your visa, make you fly you regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Tell your boom boom, go down your feet. We give you everything, whether in my wallet, I in my pocket.
Hello? Yo. How are you?
baby doll. Tell your good body, drive me mad. Love your body, swear to God. Baby, you want love for life. My queen, my wife, my Barbie doll. Baby, lock up your bumper, 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 bumper. Lock up your bumper, bumper, bumper. Baby, lock up your bumper, 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 bumper. Lock up your bumper, bumper, bumper. Baby, you still at the building, them a Canada. Down the field, up with the pipe, when see the plumber. Lock up your bumper.
So guys, we had to pay 500 a purse for adults,
500 for adult, 300 for
kids to come at Reggae Falls. Huh? Can't know what, Akim?
I've been on get no pay for.
They look like picnic.
We gonna take me.
So we're inside now.
That way means smell or risk.
No going ID.
Yes, we have to go in.
Yeah. Shark in there. Shark near me ass.
Yeah, for weird so I'll be
We have to go
weird
underneath the water and you see the fall.
Hey.
Yeah, so 500 for adults, 500 and 300 for children.
So are you serious?
No. You got more patty? You got more patty?
Yeah, one. I can just put the key in one.
Yeah.
Put on your I walk your water and go on. Tony man.
Can't eat still.
Mommy, if you bring the snack.
So why you not here? I believe it's snacks. I mean, not a space down there, so you know.
No, I'll bring it.
I'll be sorry, let's bring your snack if you want. What's space?
Don't ask me for Wally. You don't know where to rest them down at.
The box, yeah.
What a pretty now. My God. Come here. Go ahead, go. Follow uncle. What a cool! Go, go, go. Come, come. Keep hold on. Pull uncle hand. Pull uncle hand. Let me have the camera.
Girl, you know what? Pay for your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, back up your bumper, sit down on it. Girl, your boom boom good on your feet. Do it, do everything, whether in my wallet, or in my pocket.
Hello? Yo. How is it? Jenna, you say I think
Happy. Go, Abby. Let's go. Water feels so good. Yeah. Yeah, Abby. Go, go, cause your body hot. Yeah. Waterfalls. Come here.
You feel your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum,
Hey, the
down your
water
feet.
is nice,
Do everything
boy.
whether in my wallet, or in my pocket. I mean, see the baby that, baby that, baby that. I mean, see the baby that, baby that, baby that. Get up, keep on trying, my man. Love your man, swear to God.
Come now.
Love for life, treat my wife, baby that. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, put down your feet. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, put down your feet.
Hello?
You like you move on. You feel your feet, I'm like you fly you regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, put down your feet. Do everything but they in my wallet. I in my pocket.
Come here for your shot. Come here for your shot.
No, no, come back. No.
Come in.
Hmm?
Huh?
No, we don't have a cup. We got to pick up cup.
He said, got to pick up cups. Listen to mine.
Opening, is it?
Yeah.
You like you move on. You feel your visa, make you fly you regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't
We
panic.
go swim this song. Well, this song.
Everything but they in my wallet.
We're not going yet.
I'm not buy them. We have the until they put the other money. Come on to choose.
I'll be covered it. Mai, for the cover. Put it back in there, sir. You not ready? Where the sell chicken? When we're done. When we're done swim. Look good, pretty. How much, sir?
Like one cut of the
How much? When we're done swim. Yeah, nice. Pretty.
One and a
We gotta walk it over to the falls, right?
You like you move on. You feel your visa, make you fly you regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, put down your feet. Everything but they in my wallet. I in my pocket.
Yo. Channel, you know they are thing called family. No one can have a life, you know.
Baby that, mommy for the baby that, baby that, baby that. Tell your good body, drive my man, love your body, swear to God. Baby, you want love for life, my queen, my wife, my Barbie doll. Baby, lock up your bumper, 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 lock up your bumper, bumper, bumper. Baby, lock up your bumper, 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 lock up your bumper, bumper, bumper. Baby, just feel like the building, them a Canada. Down your feet. Go with the pipe when see the come and up your bumpers. Don't panic. This pretty like the building, them a Canada. Down your feet. you want. You feel your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, good on your feet. Do it to you, everything whether in my wallet, or in my pocket. I mean, to be your baby that, baby that, baby that. I mean, to be your baby that, baby that, baby that. Get a big body, try my body, love your body, swear to God. Baby, you want love for life, queen my wife, Barbie doll. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, good on your feet. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, good on your feet. You're like you move on. You feel your feet, I'm make you fly you regular. Baby, lock up your bumpers, don't panic. Hello, pum pum, good on your feet. Do everything for the in my wallet, in my pocket.
Everything you consideration. Come here for the nation.
Yes, sir. She's like, what a journey. The dirty up here. Oh God, we almost reached the falls.
Oh, so that look shed here. You want to talk at could I get this and then you could I do the birthday party and then
Yeah, go. Go, Abby. Go. Exercise. Careful, Abby. People say no shitting. So when they don't come shit for the people and players, see there? See the big sign there? No shitting on the river. Don't shoot this out. Sorry. Oh my God. You're right. Wait. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh wow. You want left them there, sir? You can't go over there, sir?
You can't go over there with the back, so you can't go, you can
Oh.
go over so.
But Akeem now go.
Let's go.
Let your bag. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Sorry.
I don't care. Stop not the water.
Yes, guys, we gotta go through. Woo. So good. Guys, look at the falls. Woo. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Woo. Huh? Okay. Look at that.
Thank you.
Good? Ah. Come. How you get up there?
Yeah.
You can't go up there. Oh, how them get up there, sir? Them actually sit up there? Look at that. Who people up, actually up there? You have to walk this, sir. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to see my go.
Come, by the front.
You can try to do one side. Just stand up straight. Keep the body straight.
You good? I've been well up for me. Oh my God. Wait.
Let's not hold it like that. I mean, the balance. Just have it just step and feet to the stool and step. You don't have to. So when you walk on stool like this, rub your foot on them and stand in. And you will use it. You're good.
Yeah, you're good. Come on. Yeah. Don't go over this, people. Yes, I know. Wow. Yeah, yes, I did deep, deep. Hello. We're not going on.
Turn it,
Oh! Yeah. Feel good, Abby? You could?
Yeah.
I forgot mine. Oh. Look at that. Watch it. Yeah. You what? Underneath the one. You go underneath and have Closing. Where? Yeah. Come on, man.
Subscribe to the Francis family right now.
Right now.
Right now. Yeah, drop right now.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes. This is you feel a little warmer.
Wrong way. We're going to pass over here, sir. Let me see if we can go underneath here, sir. Yeah. Look for ass wasness underneath them place there, you know. Can't run because you're tight.
Oh God, yes,
Turn up and get bite.
This one.
I'm going to climb up on this. Alright, you hold it.
So we are trying to get up myself. Nice one, uncle. Wow. Fit. Woo. You can't, let me do it first then, uncle, if anything. Let me try first.
I start the base. Yes, sir. Come. But it's hot enough. Hold it. Jump.
Yeah, uncle do a nice little adventure. Let me put you
Yo, that.
It's hot.
No, man, you mad? What's the cloud? We can't go up here, sir. So one step the same. Well, look like a dung, so then go. Because I want to track that, you know. I want to track the right that's up on top of this, you know. One track the right, yes, sir. One track the right, yes, sir, you know. Two track there. Yeah, one step. Yeah, me come see one Rasta man up there, you know. Yeah. What this? Can't walk. When you go across, go back down, yes. But me not walk on that blood clot, go up there, so. I look if me can climb up through here, so.
I told me that's what you're going to do, so the climb so quick.
Hold it, Mr. Wall.
Alright, uncle, please take your time. Uncle, I'll make it first attempt. Take your time, uncle. I beg. Take your time. You can't slip. Nice one, real good.
Easy climbing.
Easy climbing.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You don't want forward, baby. Yeah, man, you know. Yeah, man, we reach, you know. See that? He pass, yeah. He pass, yeah. Woo!
That's true. Flat.
Flat. I will just follow that track here. We must reach back a flat. All we need to do follow back the track here and go down. Yeah, man. Last year I've been here. Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, man. We want to find the falls. No, we finally find it. We're up on top of the falls to see what go on. What's so special about Reggae Falls? Look, guys, we are so high above everyone now. Climbing these stairs going all the way up. Watch your saying, Tone. Watch a little piece, yes, sir. Yeah, guys, look at this. Wow. See that on hole, you know? Going up, guys, up. Yo, it's a vehicle. Yo, it's a vehicle park up top. Wow. Look at this, guys. We're above the waterfall. Yeah, boy. From last year we want to come up here. Whoa. Amazing. Carrie! See, oh, you're doing this thing. high, man. But all them drive come here, so. But you saw the water run, look how small the track be. Look how small coming to the I go walk up top of the top up of the river up there, so. Guys, look how small. The river just up top running so calm. And it's pouring down so heavily. A mango tree. Here. And it's nice. It's
they call it Reggae Falls, anyone in reggae, you know?
Look there. Mango. Mango them a drop off in the water. Yeah, man. Guys, and tomorrow them a go some party, but I'll be not. Me not go. I'll be not there. When I got some splash thing, mass camp.
You know, come on.
No, so you can't bother with that the vibes there. Look at that, the water so calm. Don't through yourself. Also, there's a different road where you come on above the falls. So people more likely, some people come at the river for just relax, cook, and enjoy themselves, while others come for just enjoy the falls. Because guys, this is the river that's running down on the falls. Yeah, and it's flat. But guys, when the river come down, all this is full with water. Yeah, all this is the river. Walking on is just because of the heat. So the river just take one course. But when it starts to rain and it starts to overflow, nobody cannot walk here. Yeah. And this is where people get sand from to build their houses from the river. Yeah. Oh, you want that night video? Yeah, man, no big up, man. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man, need to subscribe to the channel too. We need to subscribe to the channel, man. Afternoon, ladies. Well, this is the Francis family channel. The Francis family. You are Francis? Yeah, Francis, the true? Francis, mine spell. Which part of Francis then come from? Sentan. Me have a sister who me don't know, you know. Yeah. Me have a sister who me don't know. Oh, but this strange. I nearly look like my sister in her state. No, me not live. Me not live. But honestly, me have a sister who me I look for. My father passed. I want my father pass. About a year ago or 2 years ago. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, just to have a little conversation. We just meet another person. She's Francis also. And if you go back and watch some previous video when my dad was alive, yeah, we used to hear my wife talk to him and ask him about a daughter where they tell her about and stuff like that. And I say she look like she look exactly just like my sister in America. Believe you me. Claudine, if you watch this, You need to screenshot that picture there and look on that girl there. I hope me catch enough for her. Favor Claudine for chewing her. Nearly look like Claudine. And yes, when the girl come look for me, everybody said the girl look like Claudine. Cause Dada always say his mother was a brown woman. Seen? But for some reason, Carrie for go cut out what she want for cut out. And put in what she want for put in and watch. Yeah, man. Mango I drop off a tree over there, so you know. Yeah, man, with it way above the falls. You see if all them bus here, so? If them bus stop part here, so man, I make the water here run out. Yeah, man, then good to go, man. A mango tree I look like a stringy mango. Ah, you find one. Look at that, guys. That's when you come from the river banking. Fruitful. Yeah, man. River banking. Mango tree. Whole heap of mango in the water. Yeah, man. Very, very fruit. We have stringy. I sit here to watch the worm, you know. That not look like stringy. That look like a number 11, man. Number 11, that man. That look like a number 11 mango. Yeah, guys, we're not gonna further, guys. I have to stop. We do a long journey. So you see all of them places there? See the guys? So when time the river ready for, when the rain ready for pour and all of that, yeah man, water pouring from everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah man. We need to find, yeah, so we come do the cooking, you know. Oh nice pool, this is swimming here, so. Yeah, we can come here, so come relax and swim. Water there, so. Yeah, set up fire and thing, but we need to find a way to come back. All we need to do is ask them which direction to go up on top of the fall. And we just drive, go up there, so come up on top of the falls. Yeah, so a nice pool here, so. You can set up a fire up right here, so table and everything. And we hold our vibes and cook. Yeah, anyway. All on the little island, they say that big right there, so. Nice. Why? Yeah, so why this be? The only place you see them type of, the only place you see these type of view is in the old western. You know about cowboy and Indian? Yeah. You have the Indian them, Apache them up in the hills I watch you. Yeah man. Yeah, guys. Slow running this one. Yeah, see nothing here. Yeah, we soon come. Don't rush quick. Man walk on that like nothing. Brother, you're brave.
Pass for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and so it and. Humble like Colin, tell them no confusion. Pass for every boss.
Darky, darky, no cause of darkness. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no. Darkness forever, man. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no.
Straight jeans and me be a ganja. We are real bad man, that's why she love we. She no want the money, she just want quick. We no need reason for fucking girl. We no need people for fucking girl.
Yo, we ain't doing that shit. That shit is crazy. Yo. Guys, he just jumped from there all the way down.
Hey, hello.
Yes, I'm in a like cross. Go first there. Yeah.
See, I go jump there again. I jump again. You know. Hey.
Can't go this way. Yeah. Bad. Thank you. Go on, me just have video. Let me keep her. Come here. Stay with Auntie. Come. You good? Stay here. Stay here. Hold me. Hold me. They catch it, but it kind of. I even see one.
Good.
Where in there?
Sit down in water. Sit down. No, sit down here, sir. Come.
So why I don't know even in the book?
So where in there? There, it don't come up. You see him? There you see him? Where? I want different boy. In there.
Somebody else jump?
You might go again, you know, Kasha. And jump from all the way up there, so. Look, you might do a back way. I think you're doing it. Oh! Woo! Yeah. Jeez, what's it? Woo! Huh? Wanna? And the boy I do jump from all the way up there, so him do it.
I'm going for one.
You might go back? Nobody go there now. Nobody make him prompt here now.
Yes, that's underneath, you know. Coming back. And it's a one come to what we never know the one here underneath when we can't swim in our underneath anything underneath that's here underneath. a GoPro, you didn't have. You got to keep it in the water, because GoPro gone on the water. The next time, you try to take a GoPro.
In Ghana, don't need water. I reach at the Come, see me, I'm gonna jump again.
You know, I want to tell you.
Woo!
Yeah, you go.
Wow.
Now let's step for what? Am I ready? Tell me what? Let's get them for what?
Oh, you don't jump. Yeah? Really? You're too brave, yeah? You're too brave.
One line, you can't anybody present. Don't see one streamer. Everybody roll. You can't work with it. Like stream on there. Let's try everybody anyway like this. Okay? Like the man there. All the people are going to jump. What is it? Walk on. You're going to pass the other corner. Then change the boat like this. Then they're going to go. Then I'm going to go pull us. Then you want to go back. Then you want me to go back. Then you want me to go back.
Let's go, Mia. Abby, follow me. When there? Huh? Come, hold me.
never say jump for road. You never go. If it's a jump, you never go. When it's a two, I'm a go.
Achoo.
Yeah, when you say two, you never go. You never go, you never go.
Yes, I dance, yeah.
Sit down. Sit. Yes.
Where? Ready? Yeah. No. Huh? No, we don't sell them.
Oh, yeah, mommy.
Oh, no. I even tell you man we are selling?
I don't want so much of the cheese, but you want how much of the you sell much for the cheese, big cheap pack of cheese puff. This how much you want.
You think you can sell me cheese puff? Me no. Watch it, one box of snacks and then don't eat none. I'm gonna eat it.
All cheesecake down there bottom.
You think Akim just come down from bike, you know? Look like Akim from afar. Huh? Yes, guys. Woo. Want jelly? Come for some now.
You don't want jelly? Why you never bring us slippers? You have to come 6 months from now. 600.
Yeah, well, that's a walk.
No, we don't want another. Now watch everything, man. Take it to everything. Respect.
Jelly. Coconut water.
Shop corn himself. Shop boiled corn, yeah.
How much is that?
What you say, my G, how much?
It couldn't be 12,000.
What you say, 1,200, right?
Yeah.
1,200.
Watch out, watch out.
So she has show your product, you know?
You trying to get some? I buy soup. What kind of soup that, babe?
I'll be
Look good. 1,200 a month, Sophie.
hot to watch it.
Yeah, Abby.
Oh my gosh, mommy.
Then they have no holy pot jellies. Me, one with me.
Julia?
You good?
You make a watch eat that. Watch tear this up now. Watch your man? Yeah. What feel one of nothing time?
That's why I'm going
What happened? You want it open? She want house open. Please. Hot down. Take sun, man. There, 1,200. Yeah. Yeah, Abby, that I spoon up on the
Thank
side.
you.
Let me taste your corn, Abby. You nice?
Fresh.
I put some butter on it.
Um,
A little bit. Yes, she did.
Abby. Nice?
I have a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you put it?
Leave it there, man. Take care of it.
Okay. Thank
She
you.
went to get some change, okay?
Guys, you put what's